Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Display section right away. Following that, select Advanced at the bottom, click on Font Size, and last but not least, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!